Oh my god, this is so very heartbreaking, guys. My god. Okay. हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज एमिली। क्या हाल है? सो गाइस, आज मैं एक म्यूजिक रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ ऑन द सॉन्ग वहम एंड इट्स बीन sung by Arman Malik and starring Asim Riaz, my favorite, and Sakshi Malik. Okay, so guys, it's been produced by T Series and already 6 घंटे हो चुके since the song has been released. So start a let's watch. So watching on my phone and here go. So let's watch together. If you're एक मिनट सो बहुत दिन नहीं किया ना, सो थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, सो माफ़ कर दो गाइज. ओके, सो इफ़ यू हैवंट वॉच द सॉन्ग येट, लेट्स वॉच टुगेदर. सो हैव वी गो. कवर तो बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है गाइज, एंड आसिम रियाज लुक्स सो सुपर अमेजिंग इन दिस, लाइक वाओ. ओके, सो लेट्स वॉच. सो हैव वी गो. ओके, इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम. ओके, शुरू हो गया. अरे टाइटैनिक सीन. ओ एक्सक्यूज मी. पीछे देखो, पीछे.
फोटो बचपन से मेरी ही फोटो बना रहा है. मैं तेरी फ्रेंड हूँ, गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं हूँ. वैसे तू मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड बन सकता है. प्लीज बन जा. मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड से लड़ाई हो गई है और उसे जेलस फील करवाना है. और तेरे लिए भी मैं पक्का दूसरी ढूंढूंगी, प्रॉमिस. अच्छा चल, मैं रेडी होकर आती हूँ. यू ऑल्सो गेट रेडी, ओके?
क्या लॉजिक है इसमें?
और किसी को दिल में बसाना हमसे कभी ये होगा नहीं. तुझ बिन धड़कन का चल पाना ऐसा कभी भी सोचा नहीं. सामने तुम हो और मैं तुमको छू भी ना पाऊं, पास ना आऊं. मार दे मुझको, जान भी ले ले, मेरे यकीन को जीने दे. तू मेरा है ये वहम, रहने दे. तू मेरा है ये वहम, रहने दे.
Oh wow, nice car. So kiddish, dude. देख रहे हो गाइस?
इश्क हो तो कहना ना तुम कुछ भी मुझको. इश्क जो तुमको फिर से हो तो कहना ना तुम कुछ भी मुझको. सच सुन के मैं मर जाऊंगा
This is so heartbreaking.
जिसमें मेरा साथ चलेगा परछाई से जुड़ के तुम्हारी जिसमें मेरा साथ चलेगा लाख सताएगी तन्हाई याद से तेरी मन बहलेगा मरहम सारे साथ तू ले जा
No, you can't do that. Oh my god. क्या किया guys? Seriously?
तू ले जा
That's not fair.
दर्द को पास जूही तू मेरा है ये वहम रहने दे
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, this is so very heartbreaking, guys. My god. Okay, how Sakshi left Asim towards the end, like why when she got her ex back, that was really, I don't feel, it was like, oh my god, that's so unjust and so unfair. And ऐसा क्यों ही करना, like ऐसा क्यों ही करना कि अगर आपको कोई पसंद करता है honestly and that person genuinely likes you, he is going to be there no matter what. And I don't know, like ये required ही नहीं है guys, like this is something that's drama and I don't know, I don't believe in all this honestly कि jealous feel करवाता है चलो and he's going to come back and this and that. He is going to come back, but after a while it's going to be temporary, it's not going to be something that's permanent. So I don't know, like and permanent things are like not attractive at all to me. So I really honestly don't like temporary things are not attracted to me. So I genuinely don't like all these things. Like this is so kiddish and बहुत ज़्यादा ही kiddish है if you see guys. अगर आप मुझे पूछो तो this is something that I really don't like at all. I won't use the term HATE, but I honestly don't like it, and this is really very disrespectful to all the three people who are involved in this, as to Asim, to Sakshi and her beloved. So ये क्या कहते हैं इसको, it's not done, I will say, and this is not necessary guys. Like you are utilizing someone for time being, and then अगर by chance that friend has developed some feelings for you, so then who is responsible for that and who is going to take care of that? Bye bye. Okay, there was a plane that's going still right now. Okay, so that's what guys, I mean, this is not required I guess, but the story is so very deep, and towards the end Sakshi dies with her beloved, and that's like, oh my god, I was like what just happened. Wo moment was like, oh my god, I was like speechless at that time, and I was like I was like that. So honestly, like, oh my god. So god, I'm just like imagining how Asim would have felt when he have like experienced something like this. I don't know, like, oh my god, it's so very heartbreaking, and it's like so it takes so much of courage to see things like this. So oh my god, like maybe I'm a little bit stunned by after watching this. Like all of them played their roles so well that it has created a good impact on the song. And coming to the song guys, Arman Malik's vocal was so amazing. Like क्या कहते हैं, जो इमोशनल पर्सपेक्टिव लाया गया, मोर यू नो importantly, that was only possible by Arman Malik's vocal. Like he was so amazing in his vocal कि you know जो गाना already जो emotional था और भी ज़्यादा emotional बन गया, and it's really like heartbreaking to see and is heart touching. So I honestly enjoyed watching the song, but you know I'm so sorry, ये टाइप का गाना देख के आपको थोड़ा बहुत ख़राब लगेगा, एंड यू नो दिस इज़ लाइक ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजिकल थिंग, बट डोंट आई रिपीट, यू नो कंपेयर योर सेल्फ और योर whatsoever situations you have with these things. You know, this is something that's virtual and your life is real, and you have to face your life by your own means, I guess. So that's what, like, every situation is different, and you should always respect whatever it is. Like you should always respect the situations that has been created, or like on which you have been challenged to. So that's what I felt, and ये बहुत ही किडिश लगता है मुझे कि you know चलो चलते हैं जाके you know क्या कहते हैं इसको you know let's show him that you know there was a pigeon. Okay, so let's show him you know कि maybe I also have a boyfriend and this and that. It's really like really kiddish kind of a vibe, so I really don't like that. So yeah, so that's what I felt about this whole video. It's like 9 out of 10 for me, just -1 because of the childish thing that was like you know shown in the song. So that's what I felt, guys. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up. और एक बात है guys, there was some interruptions during the video, like during my reaction. If you have noticed, like it's because I was getting some calls so I had to take it out. So that's why I'm really sorry and really apologize for you know the interactions. I'm really sorry about this. So yeah, so if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to the channel, guys. Really need your support, and also share this video if you agree with me, and comment down below or how you felt about this entire video. क्या रहा है आज, मतलब I am out of flow all total, like after like पता नहीं after a week I'm doing a video, guys. I'm so sorry my TGF family, I have let you down. I'm really sorry, but I'm back. मैं आ गई फिर से. So क्या हाल है? Okay, so please do like this video, guys. Share this video, comment down below, and yeah, this is Miruja, that fat girl, and as I always say, bye and always. आज लगा नहीं वैसे. And stay safe.